Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about Python. But before we dwell into the technical concept of Python, let's have a background about it. So, first of all, Python is actually a programming language. Programming language are certain tools using which you can instruct your computer to perform some tasks. Among programming languages itself, Python is a quite mature one because it's been around since 1990s. In fact, Python is so versatile that you can use it for a variety of applications like web development, building models in data science, working on computer vision, game development, and list is endless. In fact, it's so useful that if you look at all the major technological companies like Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, they would be using Python in one or other. So that was a brief intro to Python. Now Python is also favorable language to do data science. So again, I told you, Python is having many libraries and it can be used in vast fields. Fields like OpenCV, web scraping, machine learning, automation testing, web development, and game development. These are the libraries which are useful according to different fields. Now, the thing is, why you should learn Python in the first place. Now, I'm coming to this syntax. See this syntax. It is almost like simple English, and this is great advantage for beginners because you can do a lot more without worrying about the syntax of the language itself. I know this is not that clear to you, the syntax, but don't worry. I will try to make it clear for you. Just bear with me. Now again I'm going bit up in this notebook and want to show you what are the important libraries that data science and machine learning practitioners must have. These libraries are NumPy, used for numerical computations, SciPy, SciPy that is useful for maybe for signal processing, calculus, scientific computations, pandas for reading the data, manipulating the data, for cleaning the data, Seaborn. This is built on top of Matplotlib, used for maybe making plots, graphs. Same does the Matplotlib. Stat model. This is used for statistical modeling. Scikit-learn, basic data pre-processing and machine learning libraries, which are inside scikit-learn. Okay, now I have added 1 hour video. It is a quick video if you want to go through the Python thing, and some more videos on Python. This is a broad, like we can say, this is a broader video of Python. Again, in this notebook, I'm trying to cover every topic which is which we think are more useful for a beginner. So these are the quick Python content. You can see as an index. First, we are having the high code, that is the hello Python code. Then we will go through the variables and the data types. Then we will go through assignments related with variable and data type, operators, assignment related with operators, conditional statements, assignment, conditional statement, loops, jump statements, assignment, loops, and jump statements, Python data structure. Then we will go with, like, we will have some assignments on list, then some assignment of list and set. Then we will cover functions, lambda expressions, comprehensions, and at last enumerate. Okay, so these are the broad content which we will cover. Now again, I will come to the topic why you should learn Python. The first thing I told you was the syntax. The syntax is pretty much very simple. It is more like as simple English. So what I am trying to do over here is I am trying to print my name with a message, and the message is hi, my name, and see, you can see this is hi Mukesh Mandal, welcome, welcome. Okay, what this slash n is doing, why we are using these quotations, what print is, what these parentheses are doing. This print is simply it simply print out everything to your screen. And inside these parentheses, we give the statement which we want to print. Okay, and these are the single quotes. We can use double quotes, we can use triple quotes, and this slash n, that is the line break statement. So how to understand it? If you want to understand